We are out here at a plane show today. Oh, look at the wood on the propeller. It's really pretty. Yeah, I can't see their propeller, but my camera can. And it looks like a ceiling fan about to turn off. Maybe he was demonstrating something.
He had a butt.
Holy shit! Oh my god, I can't even track it.
Yeah, you can do louder than that. Come on, make some noise for our Hoopers, everybody!
Wow, they caught up to each other. I don't even know if I filmed them. Probably not. Got the creamy lemonade.
It's lemonade with condensed milk.
I got the cotton candy, and it's really good. We are here at the air show today, and then we're gonna see a
Drone show?
drone show.
Okay. That was the correct answer.
That was the correct answer. We're gonna see the drones perform tonight, and then for the most part, yeah, we're just watching planes, and then they're about to do a
They're throwing flower bags at a tank.
throwing flower bags at a tank.
And
here
no,
in
it's
a
not
minute.
cold out here. I'm just trying not to get sunburned.
Yeah, it's pretty warm out here today, but we're still wearing like pants. It's hot in the sun, but my hands. This is back to the my hand. I feel like this. Oh shit.
Here comes our jet for flyover. We'll flip to the skies there.
He said, coming from the right side.
If you don't have your ticket for the drone, 3,
We have a delay.
Oh, there we go.
That's a UFO.